Welcome to my video tutorials. Let's consider a small example. We have a node, some currents which go to the node. These are input currents to this node. And we respectively have three output currents. What we have when we know that the sum of currents must be equal to 0. It means that we need to write down the I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 minus I5 minus I6 equal to 0. 1m this, 2m3, and respectively also 1m and this unknown value. How to find I6? I6 will be I1 plus I2 plus I3, I4m minus I5, and it will be 1m plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 and minus 2. It will be 3. We found this current, its value. Let's consider another small example dedicated to this law. For example, we have some node, and let's imagine that all currents go to the node I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6. What we will have in this situation, according to the Kirchhoff law, we have I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 plus I6 and equal to 0. So we need to find, for example, the same 6 current. So let's get started. I6 is minus I1 minus I2 minus I3 minus I4 and minus I5. And for example, all this current will be 2 amps, will be 3 amps. So it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 3. Minus 12 amps. Minus 12 amps, it means that this current, the loss current I6, must have this direction, opposite direction. So, as you can see, this law really works.